We try to help them, for example, with ERK cases, winter relief, and food baskets. And we help them for get lover for their documents in immigration offices. Or we help them for teachers. We help the churches to have a meeting with them, counseling them, conferences. All of this help come from the HTP to them.
The thing that the HTP and the donors are doing in our country. Remember me. Isaiah chapter 61. The mission of Jesus Christ. Jesus said, I came to give the crown replace to the sorrow, for example. Change it to the crown, to fix all the destroyed walls and everything, to release all the prisoners. And the other verses. What they do, the donors and the HTP, this is the same as the mission of Jesus Christ, what he wants to do for the people. Like in Türkiye, many people they are in the camp, I mean the believers, as you know, who are arrested because the Turkish government started to interview them and rejected them and sent them to the deportation camp. So, HTP support too, they come out. And like Jesus said, I will release the prisoners. In Iran, when we see through the support of HTP, we can help the people who are sick or they have a financial problem or any issues. So they support them. This is what Jesus did to the people, to rebuild them. And what we are doing as a servant in Iran, this is the promises at the end of the verses of Isaiah 61. As you and the donors, you will receive the promises of Jesus Christ.